Hangzhou Fuyang Sunrise Machinery Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of straw making machine, biodegradable straw making machine, straw packing machine, straw automatic feeding machine. We are located in Fuyang, Hangzhou, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea, Dubai, Europe, UK, USA, Mexico, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda. We also welcome ODM and OEM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We adhere to the principle of mutual benefit of each other for business, and we have already established a good reputation among our clients. We sincerely welcome customers from at home and abroad to contact us for partnership. Both get win-win. Welcome to visit our factory.